Ayurveda is one of the world's oldest healing systems, dating back several centuries. It uses the curative power of herbs to treat the ailing. The acharyas who practice it say it leaves no side effects. Much like Ayurveda, there are the time-tested systems of medicine, including Unani, Siddha, Naturopathy and Homeopathy, that have shown promises as systems that heal without hurting. The popular English medicine system is in a league of its own too. The fact is, each of the systems come with unique advantages. Should they complement each other, a sick world would sooner be back on its feet. Welcome to ALM AYUSH, the center that promotes holistic cure and complementary medicine. We like to go beyond the debate to achieve cure.